Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 22nd. This is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the pound yen, I mean, it totally looks like a possible end of a wave B right here. We turned right at the 138, which is a really good target for a potential wave B. We do have a break of structure to the downside. The only problem is last time it broke structure to the downside, it kind of rejected it and kept on going up, and it's almost kind of doing the same thing right here. So because of the weekly time frame still looking like it may have some upside potential, we do have to be a little bit careful. I think it's going to go up, but is the move up a correction to the move down, or is the move up just going to keep on going up and make it higher highs, higher lows? So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we have our Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. Now, technically, it hasn't broken structure up yet, so it could make a lower high and keep going down. But I think there's a good chance it's going to start going up. Now, the thing is if it goes up in a very corrective overlapping pattern to a Fibonacci retracement level, especially if it's a three-wave structure, then I definitely would at that point stop looking for longs and start going short again if we get three waves up to a fib level. On the other hand, if it makes very impulsive up and never breaks structure to the downside at a fib level and just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, then we would just keep on looking for longs and enjoying all the pullbacks because we would not have a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level telling us to become bearish again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.